Hi everyone, hello and welcome to the show. It's my pleasure to serve you. Before we start this video, I would like to thank you all for giving this extraordinary support and love. If you are new to my channel or still not subscribed, please subscribe, it's free. But it will help me a lot to keep creating educational content for you. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Windows image backup and restore. Disk image can be used to restore computer to the previous state with operating system together with install software, customized preferences and data. You can use a previous backup to restore if something goes wrong like a disk failure, malware infection or ransomware attack. There are many third-party backup and restore programs available which offer additional features and flexibility. There are some popular diagnostic bootables like Hirons and Medicat which offer these disk imaging tools for free. There are some industry-leading proprietary solutions available in the market but not pocket-friendly, and some are still free to use as of January 2024 but with limited capabilities, no liability and without support. Thankfully, Microsoft still provides this feature integrated within Windows for free. Let's start the demonstration without further delay. To create a system image, click on Control Panel, Backup and Restore Windows 7, and create a system image. But before I create a system image, I want to show you that I have Microsoft Office installed and I have some personal data. So create a system image. This feature creates a complete image of your entire system drive, including your operating system installed, programs and personal files. You can use this image to restore your computer to a previous state if something goes wrong, like a hardware failure, malware infection or ransomware attack. It automatically detects the external drive connected, or you can restore on a network location. It depends. I have 1 TB external SSD connected, so I will choose here external drive and click next. Automatically detect all the system partitions. If you want to include drive D, you can also select. I will just choose the system partitions where Windows is installed and Microsoft Office and click next and click on start backup. Image creation depends on the amount of the data and apps installed. So I will fast forward the video. Perfect. System image created successfully. And it's saying, do you want to create a system repair disk? Just select no and close. Now before we restore the image, I want to uninstall Microsoft Office and delete the recordings because this all data backed up in system image. So delete the recordings and remove Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office uninstall. Uninstalling in the background. Uninstalling, finish. I will change the wallpaper also. So after restoring the image, you can see the difference. We get all our data back. This is our wallpaper now. And now we will prepare to restart our PC. To restart our PC, you need to press Shift from the keyboard. Keep pressing Shift and restart the PC. So it will go to the recovery environment. Or you can go to Settings, System, and go to Recovery. Click Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. You have unsaved work, just click Start Now. That's it. If your computer is unstable or not booting at all, use Windows Installation Media Disk and start installation. For this, first you need to go to the BIOS, press desired function key to select boot device. Usually it is F12 in new computers, or check your user manual. I will select here my boot device, which is USB flash drive. Press enter. And now my PC is booting with bootable media flash. Now start the installation. Say next. And then go to repair your computer. From here you need to go to troubleshoot and then select system image recovery. It will show you your selected operating system. Mine is Windows 11. Select a system image backup. Make sure image file you created is accessible. External USB flash drive or hard drive is connected. Windows will try to search image file automatically for you, or you can locate manually. Click next. If this is the case, your hard drive crashed and you are going to restore image in a new hard drive, then you need to select checkmark, format and repartition disk and exclude unnecessary disk so it will not format your data. Just uncheck the system partition. I have 120 GB HDD, so I will keep uncheck this one and check the remaining which I don't need to partition. Click OK. Don't get surprised if Windows Installation Media cannot find your hard disk. You need to install drivers. If you enable VMD controller or Intel Rapid Storage Technology controller, you need to install drivers. You can watch my previous video. The link is given below in the description box. Click next and it will start restoring your image from the external drive. Click finish. All the disks to be restored will be formatted and replaced with the layout and data in the system image. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes. Now Windows is restoring your computer from the system image. This might take few minutes to few hours. Restoring drive C. It depends on the amount of the data, or if you are using old type of spinning HDD. If this is SSD or NVMe, it will be super fast. Your computer has been restored and it will automatically restart. Click on Restart Now. And hey, our system is restored successfully. Now our Microsoft Office is back, which we uninstalled before we restore the image. Everything is working fine. wallpaper is reverted and deleted documents recovered. Perfect. If you don't want to pay hefty bill of your computer repair shop, please make an image of your PC before it is too late. It will give you complete peace of mind. I know installing OS, apps and drivers, it's time consuming. On the other hand, restoring image will be lightning fast as you don't need to install apps and drivers. Soon after recovery, you will find apps pre-installed with customized settings and all activated. It is always a good idea to periodically backup of your computer and keep a copy of system image in a safe place. If unexpected happens, such as this failure or ransomware attack, you can restore your computer in minutes. Don't forget to make new image after major changes because you can only recover until the last backup. Anything after the backup won't be recoverable. This is all for now. Time to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. For the time being, you can explore my other videos. If you like my work and want me to keep creating educational quality content like this, please appreciate by subscribing the channel. Leave your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new video uploads. See you soon in the next video. For then, goodbye and have a nice day. Keep watching.